It's over. It's
Yeah,
wraps.
basically.
Honestly, it was all you. You set me
Ah!
on fire.
Okay, Spartan.
Wait,
Wait,
Spartan
Cole.
wins this?
You left me
Wait,
in a
didn't
1v1
Spartan
with
just win?
Spartan, man.
Spartan, you got this.
Bro, he one-pumped me and I did like 20 damage.
You got
Wait,
this,
Spartan just won. Torn, don't let him win.
I'm chilling.
Stream sniping Spartan.
I'm chilling.
I have more healing.
Oh, no, you don't.
Spartan's at
Don't lie.
100 health.
Nah,
He has
how mu-
one
how-
fish. He
Yeah,
has
what's point?
I can
he has
see
a
the
heavy
stream, man.
sniper. And yeah, he's currently in some. He's climbing up to you. He's gonna die in 5 seconds, so don't push him. Just stay alive.
Yes, I'm so smart, man. Oh, Aiden's getting bullied again. Wow.
If you think about it, me and David went crazy. We carried.
Man.